In today's video, we're taking a look at how to replace or install a Sodastream CO2 cylinder, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and sparkling goodness was in your mind. You pressed some buttons, you noticed the fizz, but now you know it was just air bubbles. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A few blocks away, but a back is a back. And the most important thing that you're going to need for this installation are the Sodastream CO2 cylinders. A Sodastream machine is a countertop appliance that turns plain water into sparkling water or soda in seconds by injecting CO2 gas from a cylinder. Today, I'll show you a technique that works whether you're installing your first canister or replacing an old one. And these cylinders come in two types. We have the newer pink quick connect style that clicks into place, and we also have the older blue screw-in style that twists in by hand. They're not interchangeable without an adapter, which we'll be covering that on our next video. Today we're going to show the installation on the quick connect. If in your case you have a blue screw-in cylinder, we already have a video for that. We'll leave a link on the description of this video. And now that we've filled your brain with Sodastream technology, we're ready for the install. The first thing that we want to do is remove the back cover or rear compartment. You're going to notice at the rear top of your Sodastream there is a tab. This is where you place your fingers to pull the compartment back. If you notice at the bottom, we have an alignment tab, so when you install back the compartment or cover, it slides into place as well as it secures it. And now that you broke your machine, now that you have not broken your machine, we're ready for the next step. And this is going to work even if you have the cylinder already pre-installed or you're installing a new one. You want to go ahead and lift the handle or latch so the machine can be ready to receive the new one. If you have one already installed, then you want to hold the cylinder at the same time that you lift the handle or the latch. After lifting the hatch, simply pull the quick connect cylinder straight out of the compartment and remove it from the machine. No matter if you have a cylinder already pre-installed or you don't, you want to leave the handle on the open position. And now to install our quick connect cylinder, we want to place it at the bottom first into the gap and then push it up into the holder, then lower the handle until it locks into place. And now you learned how babies are made. We're ready for the next step, and that is the installation of the cover. We're going to insert our alignment tab at the bottom and then click in the top into place. And now you're ready to become the carbonating master of your town. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.